If you're new to using library ebooks, here's our top tips for getting the most out of them. Most library ebooks are designed to be read online via your web browser. Click Read Online to get started. Use the search button built into the ebook, or press Ctrl and F on your keyboard to search for key words and phrases. Most ebooks will highlight where these words and phrases appear throughout the book. Remember, you don't have to read the entire book. Use the table of contents to go directly to the section or chapter that is most relevant to your research. Most ebooks will allow you to download a copy for offline reading using an app called Adobe Digital Editions. However, please note you can normally only keep this download for a limited period. If you're going to be using the same book lots, most ebook platforms have a Save to Bookshelf feature, so you can keep returning back to view the book and any notes you've made on it. Reading on screen can be hard on your eyes, so remember to take regular screen breaks. Try using the 20-20-20 rule. Read actively to make sure your attention doesn't wander and help you remember what you've read. Most ebooks will allow you to make notes and highlight portions. These will be saved into your library account, so they'll still be there the next time you go into the book. As always, remember to reference. If you're not sure how to reference an ebook, check out the library's APA referencing guide. We subscribe to a few different ebook platforms, which may look slightly different or have different features. For full instructions, use the library's ebook guide. If you have questions about ebooks or need help, please contact the library. You can use HUD Help or email us.